This video is with regards to number 7 in the January 2024 CSEC Math Paper 2. And it's based on sequences and patterns. And here you've got a YouTube video for the solutions by Terry David with regards to this paper. So the question says that the diagram below shows the first 3 shapes in a sequence which forms a pattern. Each shape is made using a set of small white counters and black counters. So here I'm going to offer an alternative angle, an alternative viewpoint on how to solve this question. But you can find the solution in this link by Terry David. So let's look at the pattern. Shape 1, we've got a triangle of black dots and a rectangle of white dots. Shape 2, it has increased. And if you notice now, the original 4 dots that made the triangle, it is up there in the second shape, but you have a new row. So you have 1, 2 rows, 1, 2, 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the rows seems to be increasing of black dots. While the rows are increasing of black dots, the shape is widening. So here you have 3 columns. Now you've got 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. So it appears that 2 columns are being added on either side of the rectangle. So as the row of black dots is widening, it is being compensated now by a column of white dots on either side of the rectangle. So our fourth shape should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows of black dots and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 plus 2, 1 on each side, 9 columns of white dots. So as you can see, the process has already started, and I have put some guidelines so that the dots will come out, or the circles will come out in line. It will be aligned and not crooked. Now this is a row of black dots. I'm going to add a row of black dots. Well, a row of white dots have to be added. Okay. So let's color code this to black. And let's copy and paste. All right. So you get the idea. So as you can see, my additional row of black dots is almost completed. All I need to do is to add one more black circle to accommodate for the additional column on the right side. So let's complete our 2 columns of white dots and an additional row of white dots. So let's continue this column of white dots. And here we're going to add another row of white dots. So here, this should complete the 4th shape. And let's just delete the guidelines. And this should coincide with other solutions in this question, for this question. As you can see, you have one wider row of black circles and 2 extra columns of white circles and 1 extra row of white circles. With this window, you can appreciate the gradual progression of the shape 1, 2, 3 to 4. The pattern, the sequence can be observed therein. As we all accustomed, we know for sure we have to take out our pen and our paper and actually do it. Okay? Actually physically do it as an initial form of practice. Copy it down in a notebook and then look at all the number sevens, all the past papers. You will see all the number sevens are based on sequence and patterns.